Hey guys, I know we would all love to have a personal chef in the kitchen. Well, today you have one. I'm here with my friend Chef Patrick, and he is going to show us some great kitchen tips and tricks that will make your time in the kitchen so much easier.
Next in our series of what we're going to call roly-poly vegetables is an eggplant. Again, eggplants move around on me. Okay? Now for something like this, since I like having this skin on there, I like having that color that ends up in my dishes, I don't want to square it off the same way I did with the potato. With this, what I'll do is I'll just take off the top, take off the bottom, and now I have a flat surface. So now, some people, they still go, that's still kind of big, it still wobbles a little bit on me. Cut it in half. Still a flat surface. Now I can make my planks with that, so I can cut straight down. So I can use nice long pieces there, which I could use that, say I want to do like, little individual eggplant parmesans, that's a cute little way to do that, all right? Or if you want to cut them really thin, when I do at home, I'll make a vegetable lasagna, and I'll cut them thinner. You can very easily make your slices and work it out that way. And just like everything else, if I wanted to cube this up, now I have those planks, I can make my sticks, turn those sticks, cut them into cubes. So everything as you're going through this, if you just remember no matter what you're cutting, planks to sticks to cubes, it makes it a lot easier and a lot less intimidating than when you see in a recipe it goes, I want a large dice. And then you're sitting there trying to start off dicing to begin with. Break it down to stages. Make your planks, make your sticks, make your cubes. Before you know it, you have a large dice, small dice, medium dice, whatever the case may be.
Thanks, Chef. You can get more kitchen tips from Chef Patrick right here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And be sure to check out more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.